When someone makes a plan against you, or when someone curses you, the justice of Allah is such that He doesn't allow an unjustified curse to go through. I'm going to say that again just now, but let me continue with the second point, and that is Allah will cause that plan, the evil plan, to reach those who made the plan, who deserved it. So when you plot the downfall of someone, you're actually plotting your own downfall. Allah says the evil plot will not grip the neck of anyone besides who deserved it, who did it in the first place, the one who is the owner of it, the one who started it. So don't plan the downfall of others, because you're actually planning your own downfall. And part of hope that I have is when someone plans my downfall and they're plotting and so on, Allah says, don't worry, it's actually going to rebound to them. It's going to get back at them in a worse way. That's Allah's gift to all of us.